If you are a software engineer, you have likely used commands like git add, git commit, and git push. But do you really know what happens behind the scenes? Where does it all go after you save or push your code? In this video, we'll break down Git's entire workflow step by step, from editing files in your working directory to saving changes and pushing them to GitHub repositories. Where does our code actually live in Git? Most people think it's either on GitHub or their local machine, but Git actually manages your code across four main areas. Some would say it's three, but let's break it down. The first one is working directory. This is where you actively edit files on your computer. It's your playground. The second one is staging area. It's a temporary spot where you prepare files before saving them. Think of it as a draft folder. Then the third one is local repository, where your committed snapshots are stored. This is your personal project history. And the fourth one is remote repository, a shared server like GitHub or Bitbucket, where your team can collaborate. Now, let's walk through a typical Git workflow. First, we need to use git clone to copy a project from a remote repository. This gives us a full local version, including its history. Now, git checkout. This allows us to switch to a branch where we want to work. Now, we may start coding. Any file we modify is part of the working directory. When we're ready to save those changes, we use git add to add these changes into the staging area. It's a temporary place to collect updates. Then, with git commit, we save a snapshot to our local repository. It's now a permanent part of our project history. When we want to share our changes with the team, we run git push. This sends our commits to the remote repository like GitHub, so that others of our team can see and collaborate. And when someone on our team pushes new updates to Remote Repo, we may use git pull to download those updates and merge them into our local branch. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, Design Your Thought, for more contents like this.